Hello, welcome. It's your girl GEMN here, back with another video, and I am here with part 6 of making my baby shower dress. This is my legit baby shower dress again. If you have not watched parts 1, 2, 3, 4, and now 5, because 5 just recently got uploaded, what are you doing? But anyways, if you are new here, hit that subscribe button, like, comment, share, and if you are returning, hello, welcome back. So I actually didn't film this part because I was actually on the phone with my boyfriend, so I didn't really film because I do record on my phone. Let me set my phone up. So what I did was, instead of getting my full measurements and everything of my top region, even though I already have the measurements for that, but I didn't feel like actually doing it, I actually found a shirt that I wore and I actually tried it on. It still fits because it's very, very stretchy. It's very stretchy. And up here, I didn't grow. Like, I grew, but not like I always been like a bigger chest girl for a smaller frame. For my frame, I actually have big boobs for my frame. Not saying I have big boobs in general, but like I wear a 36 double D now. 36, 38, depending on what kind of bra I have on. But I found one of my off-the-shoulder shirts that I used to wear a lot, and I saw a girl, instead of doing the whole thing, you can literally just trace this. Okay, I had to come in because this is where I messed up. I don't know. I think it's because they were two different kind of materials. I should have just stuck to making the bodice from scratch, and we wouldn't have been in this situation because, baby, look, y'all about to see how this just a disaster. That's what I did. I did this off camera because, like I said, I was on the phone with my boyfriend, so that's more important right now. So yeah, I made the back piece and the front piece because we are doing it off the shoulder kind of thing. So yeah, so when you put it on, this is what it looks like, front and back. These are the two pieces. I'm going to make the sleeves. She did copy the sleeves. I probably have to watch her video on how she did that, but maybe I don't have to because it don't look that bad. I just got to make sure I lay it as flat as possible when I'm doing the tracing of it, because I don't think it's actually no different. It's literally, I think I'll be fine. I literally wanted this done before the 28th. Today is the 17th. So that gives me a week and a half to fully have this dress completed. And why not get started now? So if I got to do any other touch-ups, I ain't rushing a week before the baby shower to get it done. So, okay, yeah. So me recording this video, like I said, I did record this on the 17th, but I'm just now uploading it because I have not been in the best mood to really edit these videos or anything. But yeah, like I'm literally just now finishing the dress and it is March 1st. So, and I said I want it done by the 28th. But anyways, as you can see here, I went in and traced the sleeve. I'm glad I didn't do the sleeves yet because just in general, the entire thing was just entirely too small. But I will show in the next video, which I had to redo it. It was just too much. Like, it was just too much for me. But yeah, I end up taking the rest of the piece of where I cut the skirt out and end up cutting the front and back pieces. I don't know how I didn't look at this and realize how small the bodice was. Like, this is the size of a child. I really sat there, cut out these pieces of fabric, and didn't question, like, do this shit look small? I think I did question it, but I was just like, oh, well, it's stretchy. It's stretch. Yeah. This is like a top for a 5-year-old. Oh, no. I'm always yawning. I'm sorry. I'm so tired. But yeah, so disappointing. But I did double the front and the back because I was a little nervous because, you know, when some tops are a little thin, it's kind of see-through, and I didn't want, you know, my head last to show through. So I was like, okay, I'm gonna double the fabric. It would make it look better and won't be so noticeable. Like, it's gonna be noticeable, but if I put on a sleeveless bra, I said sleeveless, strapless bra, it won't show up as bad. And I actually was happy I did do the double side, which you will see in the next video I'll upload of me finishing the dress. But yeah, I was so disappointed. I don't know how I didn't look at this and was like, damn, this is small, let me stop. I don't know why I didn't, but yeah, don't judge me. Yes, I had, like, look how small that shit is. Like, Jasmine.
The room might change again, so don't go far. All right?
Okay, so I now have the shirt pinned. I'm going to sew all the way to here. I'm not attaching this part because you have to go in with the sleeve. Because if we look at this shirt, if you look at the front and back of it, sorry, my dog hair is everywhere. If you look at the front of it and the back, they're not attached right here. They only attach right here. So of course this would be open. And then I pinned these because we want a clean seam. So like just like that on the other side, and then clean the trim right there. So yeah, here I am on the sewing machine again. We just moved over here. My brother and I have been watching Demon Slayer. We actually rewatched season 1 because season 2 is about to come out and we wanted the refresh on it. Whatever. But yes, you probably saw the Dr. Pepper and baked Cheetos. Mind your business. I be craving Dr. Pepper and hot Cheetos. I don't eat it and drink it all the time. So don't be like, oh my God, I'm not gonna, it's okay, guys. I'm pretty sure people done way worse while they was pregnant. So don't, mind your business. But anyways, yeah, I am sewing the pieces together. And this is when I noticed, just editing these videos where I messed up the most, I didn't leave enough fabric for hem allowance. So I think that's what also made it too tight. I didn't have, cause you know how you trace the shirt, but then it's like an outline of like a little bit of the fabric to, you know, sew so you can take it in. And I didn't do that. So that also probably played a part in why it didn't work out so well. But yeah, you see me here holding my stomach because I like feeling her because she was moving a lot when I was here. So, yeah, you about to see it in the next clip. A mess. Y'all. I'm gonna have to redo it. I'm gonna have to because it's way too tight. It's way too tight. Don't mind my wig. It's coming off tonight. But it's way too tight. But I got it down pack of what it's supposed to look like. Yeah, as you can see, like, I have it where it's supposed to be like the sleeve part where I sew it on. But obviously it is way, way too tight. And my boobs are way, way too big. Yeah, and then look how it makes my boobs look. Like, what? Oh, don't on my stomach. But yeah, it doesn't hurt. It's just way too tight. It's just not comfortable. So I'm gonna have to redo it, which is fine because I still have around 3 yards left worth of fabric, which is well enough to finish this.